This is a marketing research proposal for Santa Fe Grill Restaurant created by Lauren Driffel of California Baptist University. The research objectives of this report aim to determine and identify the different factors that led to the lack of success of Santa Fe Grill within its first 18 months of business. The specific research objectives are as follows. Identify the factors that customers within the casual dining industry found of most importance and of least importance. To determine what factors customers take into consideration when deciding to dine out. To determine each current and potential customer's perception of how Santa Fe Grill rates in terms of each category. And to identify the level of satisfaction of each customer. For this market research report of Santa Fe Grill, an exploratory research method design was established in order to collect data from current and potential customers of Santa Fe Grill. The objective of exploratory research is to discover ideas and insights to better understand the problem. Exploratory research aims to detect and measure early problems with products, services, and marketing communication efforts. In order to collect the data, the process will take a total of 3 weeks, and a total of 199 current and potential customers of Santa Fe Grill were interviewed. 100 of the individuals interviewed were customers of Santa Fe Grill. 50 of the individuals interviewed were customers of Jose's Southwestern Cafe, and 49 of the individuals interviewed were customers of Moe's Southwest Grill. A survey in the form of a questionnaire was created to determine the different perceptions of current and potential customers of Santa Fe Grill. A questionnaire is a document consisting of a set of questions and scales that are designed to gather some data. The questionnaires that were given to the current and potential customers of Santa Fe Grill aid in the data collection process for this market research report. The structured form of the questionnaire design helps the market research report meet the data requirements. A questionnaire format with structured questions includes questions that are close-ended with only predetermined sets of answers for the respondent to choose from. These type of questionnaires are typically faster since they often require less critical thinking and less effort from each respondent. This type of questionnaire makes the data collection process much easier for the market research report of Santa Fe Grill. The questionnaire that was designed for Santa Fe Grill was printed on small 3x5 cards and left at each table within the restaurant so that customers could complete them during or immediately after their dining experience. A total of 199 cards were printed in order to maintain the sample size. The collection of these questionnaires was limited to the respondents' willingness to engage with the paper format questionnaire. But with the structured format of the questionnaire, more individuals were likely to complete it since it was of the easiest format. As a data collection tool, the market research report used ANOVA as an investigative tool to help determine the perception of Santa Fe Grill's customers and potential customers, and identify their decision-making process when deciding to dine out. ANOVA helped to determine how customers feel that Santa Fe Grill achieved each factor when compared to some of the top competitors in the dining industry. ANOVA is an abbreviation for analysis of variance. It is a statistical technique that determines whether 3 or more means are statistically different from one another. Market researchers often use ANOVA to help in the process of determining the statistical difference between 3 or more means. With this conducted and collected data, the information can now be prepared for analysis. Customer segmentation is the process of identifying potential customers and those of which have common characteristics. Santa Fe Grill has a target set of potential customers that have 3 main common characteristics. The 3 main common characteristics of potential customers are as followed: working middle-class families who are health conscious. As concluded by the data collected through the market research report, the factors that the respondents listed as the most important to least important from their customer perspective were: receive excellent customer service, receiving an reward program, receiving large portion sizes, receiving affordable pricing, receiving fresh ingredients, and being offered a family-friendly environment. Based on the responses, the respondents found that Santa Fe Grill satisfied their desires when it came to the restaurant's ability to offer excellent customer service, large portion sizes, and fresh ingredients. On the other hand, based on the responses, the respondents found that Santa Fe Grill did not satisfy their desires when it came to the restaurant's ability to offer customer reward loyalty programs, affordable pricing, and a family-friendly environment. According to these results, which were conducted through the One-Way ANOVA, the owners of Santa Fe Grill must focus on improving in the categories in which they scored the lowest, but which were also listed of high importance to the customer, which were Santa Fe Grill's lack of customer loyalty reward programs and lack of affordable menu options. The respondents stated that Santa Fe Grill restaurant does not provide a family-friendly environment that meets the desires of a majority of the current and potential customers. However, this factor was also listed by the respondents as the least important factor in their perspective. Therefore, the owners should not focus any time, money, or efforts to improve in this category. They should instead focus their time, money, and efforts establishing customer loyalty reward programs and ways in which they can begin incorporating affordable menu options into the restaurant. Through the owners of Santa Fe Grill's quest to determine the restaurant's lack of success in its first 18 months of business, this market research report helps identify the performance issues within the restaurant. These challenges included Santa Fe Grill's lack of affordable menu options, their lack of customer loyalty reward programs, and the market research project also identifies how the customer feels Santa Fe Grill stands when compared to two of its top competitors, Jose's Southwestern Cafe and Moe's Southwest Grill. The market research report focused on a set of 6 factors that were categorized as followed: customer service, portion sizes, fresh ingredient, reward programs, pricing, and atmosphere. In order to find the customer's perspective, a questionnaire was designed to find the results of how important each factor was to the customer and how Santa Fe Grill ranked according to current and potential customers. And the questionnaire was distributed. The results of each question through the questionnaire was analyzed and interpreted using a one-way ANOVA. Through the ANOVA results, the market research report concluded that there is a high level of customer satisfaction in terms of customer service, portion sizes, and fresh ingredients, a very low level of customer satisfaction in terms of customer loyalty reward programs, atmosphere, and it has an overall average level of satisfaction in terms of overall pricing. In order to increase overall customer satisfaction, which is the driving force behind profitable sales in the casual dining industry, the owners of Santa Fe Grill must focus on incorporating a customer reward program that rewards their customers' loyalty to the restaurant. As stated earlier in the market research report, customers should be offered a reward program that customers can sign up for via their cell phone by downloading an app. With this app, customers will earn reward points for every dollar spent within the restaurant. The customer will then be able to redeem their points earned for products and services within the restaurant. This will create incentive for customers to dine out at Santa Fe Grill and continue dining out at Santa Fe Grill because the idea of earning future food with the purchase of food today will increase the customer traffic, resulting in an increase in sales. Secondly, in order to increase overall customer satisfaction for Santa Fe Grill, the recommendation of the market research report is that Santa Fe Grill focuses less of their importance on fresh ingredients. The questionnaire determined that customers do not find receiving fresh ingredients of high importance. Therefore, the owners of Santa Fe Grill should substitute some of the more expensive fresh ingredients in their current menu for some cheaper frozen options. Instead of offering fresh chicken that is delivered daily, Santa Fe Grill can instead receive 1 shipment per week of chicken, then keeping the excess chicken frozen throughout the week. No longer receiving daily shipments of certain ingredients and instead receiving less frequent frozen options. By changing their menu items to less fresh ingredients, the owners can still maintain high quality standards for their food, but save on delivery charges, allowing the owners the opportunity to provide the restaurant's customers with more affordable menu options. The questionnaire identified that customers felt that affordable menu options was of some importance, but the questionnaire determined that customers felt that Santa Fe Grill ranked averagely when it came to whether or not the restaurant offered affordable menu options. Saving money on the cost of serving fresh ingredients will help the restaurant to offer more affordable menu options and increase customer satisfaction by making a priority the things that are listed of importance to the customer.